So my people, I have some things I go share with Uno. I know so I see a post pretty that make most of you maybe see that post here. Where she say a popular TikTok a pull up on her and machine draw, and I think two next man with the TikTok a pull up on her and something. You see me? While she post that, she post the next thing where she say, you know what I mean, Royal Dog and Spice I go check up on her. You see me, and she and Royal Dog was the one of the worst enemy. You know what I mean? But it look like them turn back friend. Me don't know when still, but it's a good look. Seeing some people pretty than reveal who that TikToker was. So for all who don't know, you see me, all who find out who, you know what I mean, still tune in, because I'm going to give me opinion on it. The TikToker pretty than reveal who the TikToker is, and also show the video, my people, of the TikToker. You see me, I say, so we're going to get into that. Also, Queenie vent to Roger about the whole Blamdem saga, which she, you know, say Blamdem say she bad mind over Nicki Minaj, and because Nicki Minaj did the song with her and Ray. I really hear Queenie, you know, when Blamdem did do the song, the AI generated song, because Nicki Minaj no go in a no studio, go sing no song with no Blamdem. You see me, I say, or even sing no song for Blamdem, a AI song. You see me, I say, so Queenie did feel some type of way, so that caused the problem, you know, because it look like say Queenie I carry feelings. You see me, but we not go here with Queenie officer, my people. And also, me hear some woman, you know what I mean, them a talk about ivany and a different ivany. And on the level, my people, you have some people on the internet who are enablers. You see me, I say, and them kind of make some people like do the wrong thing for a long period of time until them buck them toe and drop a ground and hurt themselves. Then them same one, I go say the person right same way and make them butt them two again and drop again. Nobody if you say, you know what say, me think say, not in a disrespectful way, but kind of give them opinion to the person and give them some advice, because me feel like every father feel in them youth life. Not because I am a man, me I go say that, but every youth need them father, every youth need both parents. You understand? So, me I go make you hear what them say, and I go give me opinion on that also. You see me? So, we also have Cam, my people. Because Cam brother-in-law, you know, she and him go down Emmanuel Road, and right now, him a reveal some whole heap of things, but I think me have that video here from me yesterday, where me I go put in and make you hear what him a say about her and her daughter. You see me I say? So, we maybe add other things while we go on, my people, but we are going to kick it off with these things, and as me say, add as we go along. See, so make we get in right, you know.
Baby bird paper of the boy name, the name pan it, bad to bad. But you can see she really in love with the boy. But I mean, like, you as an old man now, you in love with a young boy now, and then you have this character, like, the boy now go come and settle down with you, because first thing, you're indulging too much voodoo. Every minute, you come out and think, even the boy say it and think, you carry him gonna own that, and think like, and then you come out and you want to chastise him, and you want to chastise him, mama, like, nobody now go hands and gloves you. Cause if me attack with a boy now, I mean they and him must sip and say go suck your mother. Me I tell him say me a preem. Me a preem. Me have it in my head say me not in a relationship. Me a pre you. So you see when time it come and hot water boil up, me just got that shit on you, and me just think that walk away without no emotion and no feelings. Yeah. Straight up. But you can't tell them old man nothing. Fambo stop. You going to beat the boy. No. Yeah. that about then, but I say that about then, you know, because honestly, from I come back in August, me that try one little thing and make myself in a problem. Hey, everywhere I go, I get locked up. I get myself in a problem. So, me don't know. Sometimes ignorance come over you some way where you can't control. Them know so me not tell no lie on anti-cam. Them know me not tell no lie on the big blood clot, dragon back blood clot, rusty crust, the old man. Them know me not tell no lie on her. And you clean for true, you always a clean and a cook. I true that. You know, so one time, I the same Keita there. Keita, me vex with Keita one time, you know. Never talk to. Vex with Keita, you know. Keita tell me, say, my daddy are clean. Keita, me don't know if you remember. That time, you know, cause I love clean body, you know. You the pad. I always a clean like me a girl. You remember that? I mean, me say, me did vex. But that is just like, that's just naturally me, like, you know? I know me not clean, straight up. Remember, I tell you, and God push you down. It's a day. Any day you go down on your knee, boy, you do fasting and God push you down. May I tell you, say it's a day. One time you must have said, I'm not short. May I tell you, man, the way I could think that, man, me just ignorant for the woman, man. May I tell her, say, what is that called, man? Somebody said me, I don't know why it's not this.
Yeah, they do the blood clot part where you say, you're afraid that push you down. Yeah, man. She talk about knee city too much. Every 2 seconds, she go down on her knee.
Oh, she sent me, listen to the story.
You understand? Her blood clot jackfruit foot knee. Them big knee there. Please. I hope 2 pieces of grass back on the ground every time you go down on your knee. Cut up your blood clot skin. You have to stop use God as mockery. God for sugar down on her blood clot. Long chin one there. You have a pretty little girl like that. You understand? You have a pretty little girl. I'm going to see the 2 little girl with one man. I don't know if them grandfather or what on fair side or what, but I see them with one man. But back to what I say.
Jesus
A
Christ.
little girl like that a babysit. And you can't give her even $30 a week. You're not pay her because the 2 of them are your daughter, but you give her a little stipend. Not even $30 a week for make little girl drop on $10 and saving pan and spend the $20.
Yeah, mad, she not do that.
And everything you talk about Lexian prayer. What kind of mother you be? So she mean? Show them a kind to my blood clot pitting them, you know. Kind to my youth them, man. I'm not telling a lie. Miss a girl a kind to my youth them. Come I always tell my daughter them, you know, them college and some, make sure them have them money. No man and this and that for once. You can hear look at teenagers them money and them something, man. Oh God Almighty, man. In a real life, a such a role.
Shame. Not even if him carry Lexi down on the beach, and now get Lexi $10 for buy ice cream. That dirty girl, eh? Believe it or not. She not even get Lexi $10. She rather the penny walk and look and so him now take out $10 game. No, what are they? But she rather give man her money. Me I tell her say, a girl when I leg and give her money, but man get her things. She free-handed when it comes to man. Me no know. Me no know if I set her so. Cause she always say people are work over upon her. So I wonder if somebody work over upon her and set her so for true. She free-handed when it come on to man for true, man. The lady free-handed when it come on to man. True. At 15 years old, she needs her own spending money. She not. She said Lexi not supposed to have money and Lexi not supposed to have no phone and like what kind of mother you? What kind of disciplinary mother? What kind of mother thing there? And she want.
Hey, I saw you have some woman still, you know, where from them have them man have you alright. And nothing wrong with that, my people. You saw me I say because years and centuries pass and a man a played a role there. A man always a take care of woman. So if a man not in a position to take care of woman, why not the woman take care of him? You see me I say? Nothing wrong with that. You understand me I say? Big one thing, nothing wrong with that. A full time now the woman them start take care of the man them cause them say them want be equal. So that a part of being equal. You see me? The man not have it, take care of him cause we man naturally take care of woman. Them not have to ask we. So if a woman a give back to a man, nothing wrong with that. Make me know what you think, my people. We not go dwell here so too long. We just go make on ear, look a bit more, and then we go over to the rest of things there.
Alex in a military school and this when bitch you yourself want go in a military school. You want discipline more than blood clot, Lexi. From your barn, your mama should have put you in a military school. Maybe you would have blood clot and come so. I ain't so much bagga in a bring down and want to tear down your family level and tear down blood clot people putting up on social media. But you want Lexi in a military school.
So what the difference if Lexi go in a military school? My daughter in a military school.
You say a punish. She's considered it as punishment.
Hell
that's
no.
Punishment for Lexi.
No. So what you mean? My daughter in a military school. My daughter go to Cardoza, where she have to wear a military uniform every Thursday. So what you mean?
Right now, I tell you, say if Lexi get for go on boarding school, Lexi would have comfortable for go boarding school than for come home. I tell you that.
I'm gonna run her.
And she get for go on boarding school. She just want to have her phone. She just want to have her look gadget, her phone and her tablet and sitting. And on her cash up if you can put $120 on it and sitting every week while she did there and so on. Because you know them will give food and them sitting there and stuff. She good. Me I tell you. The penny good.
I know Lexi account down. She have 15. I know she account down the 3 years. Then well for them come so fast. Because she damn for reach 18. All of me, I go straight into the army as I reach 18. I make sure find somebody to figure it out with her other child.
But no one knows also the military school. I think military school was something where more like very strict and like discipline. Like when you hear the word military, I think about discipline.
My daughter, as I say, to each of them own. My daughter not really act up. My daughter just go in night because she couldn't get the chance to do volleyball. So she just want, go in something. So my daughter just go in a military. But I don't really like say, you have a discipline. I don't know what them call discipline.
I talk about volleyball. My niece not even take part in a sport. She not make the penny enroll and nothing. You know some peers or parents and so you push her in or something now, you want she come home, come sit down with baby.
Or that grabbing blood clot body, or that tear them a blood clot part. Don't ramp with me. It's a small word.
Nicky!
You hear that?
Nicky!
Don't ramp with me.
Nicky, you don't have to give me no wally pan on it. You can't just give me a thing out of my gift gallery, Nicky. Oh, I put your name in there and look special. Well, me and the queen there, because I feel away from last night, Nicky. When me see the queen come up, me I say, rotted queen in there. Me, the boy
yeah, man, 55, I'm up with Grace. Sorry, Roger, talk, sorry. Oh, you have to come deal with me, so you see me in a drama mix up? You know done so much already?
True, you can't diss the queen, so cause the queen not even over here in a TikTok mix up. True. Bad to bad.
Come
Wanna
on,
talk
man.
the truth, man.
Roger, you know how much me go through and all my kind of same way I stay. You know how much time I'm hungry, Roger. I'm not come
Yeah,
here
man,
and
Nicky,
blood
I mean,
clot
you know-
match. Me just come and hold a little. Roger, you know how much time I'm hungry for real. I've not having blood clot literally hungry. But you know how much blood clot time I 15 blood clot somebody I line up like a train blood clot line. I'm a stay so I still enjoy myself and my
Calm down, Queenie. Calm down, Queenie. Calm down, Queenie.
It's rude.
Very
They get a
rude.
little piece of half-dead blood clot song from Nicky Blamdem. Where they about the you sound hungry no blood clot like Jamaica hungry blood. Me hate you on the blood clot song. Cause she offer blood clot me attention before you. And she throw me to the blood clot curve like nobody. I'm staying in the corner because you never put baby in the corner and just in there I say blood clot queen and trick you get fix our blood clot make. I want the blood clot though. The fittest surviving at this, you know. I work for my one, you know. I'm a blood clot boss, me, you know, because I'm a real awful like a blood clot right there, you know. I'm a skinny, I'm a fat blood clot pussy and tell one girl come tight slap in the blood clot.
Like a James Nika CK and bounce.
No apology.
I mean, no,
Never
but
this
tell
no
her
blood
no.
clot, but
From
you
last
never
time I tell her,
no
hey, you
bad
better prepare because the queen is coming. You don't diss the queen like that and think
It's
so she's not
rude.
gonna come.
It's fucking
You're
rude.
rude.
Roger, me there with the whole on a long time, regardless of what me on the queen. Where the blood
And you know
clot you wanna come from?
If I gonna
You
make
blood
people
clot
disrespect
mood.
Nikki, if I gonna make people disrespect Nikki.
Nikki no mind, cause remember Fairmount no good enough. So she Nikki's a surgery. Nikki remind me of myself in a rich bitch world. She doesn't care of who you is or where you is. It's whatever makes she smile. So I understand, Nikki. So if I dirt you for going to blame them, I dirt you going to blame them. But me now gonna make sure she and blame them going to the dirt and draw me in that she never invite me. There's a difference with me. I don't have a problem with you and blame them. But blame them, you're not gonna come undermine me. You're not setting a trend, yes, brother.
Yeah,
I
make
know your
it
blood
feel
clot name,
small.
you live
Yeah,
from.
we don't like that.
You live from Busset name. When the woman on here, Shelly has 6 name. You don't have no talent. You don't have no history. You don't have no blood clot journey. When me come out and me say girl power. When me go back to blood clot cow. When me tell him how the man married blood clot. When me tell him to me I defend the blood, hey, I will send you
No,
blood
skin it
clot
down,
down that hole enough.
No skin it down. Queenie, calm down. Calm down, Queen. No skin it down.
Rock away, just clear for me. When I hide myself in thee. What people don't understand. Whether I'm a time when them hot.
That's a rank, you know. Please.
Everybody have them time when them at. Relevancy is the most important thing. We're all stars in our own ways. TikTok and the latest app will highlight a lot of people talent in it. Me as an old veteran and an old school and an old grey pussy. You know, it amazes me to sit back and see them at the little supplement the blood clot. Me love how the Jamaica them are bring out the raw Jamaican out of them. And I sit back as the queen and admire who for admire. If somebody says something, before I come get involved, me chat them in my blood clot house. Me stay neutral in it. Until somebody pass and place with me, I will do some look up in there. Me not get involved. So if you come now and you're a trend, and you own the ass clot Barbie queen, what more you want? Is RT boss. You want every blood clot queen, because it's musculine blood clot pussy tongue you want on the scene. It's me make you can't get my pussy tongue for blood clot do a surgery and put in your blood clot crutches. So what is ya? Me not have no money. You know for when me not get one bookings, me have your reason. Me there look blood clot bookings, me like work for my own. Me don't like handout. You hear what me say? Me like work for my own. So if your blood clot feel like brother, true ya.
Alright, my people. Me know Blamdem disrespectful. And him we say some things where not sit right with Queenie. You understand? But at the end of the day, Blamdem never use Queenie name to link up with Nicki Minaj. I don't like say Blamdem can use pan Queenie to link with Nicki Minaj, or this Queenie to link with Nicki Minaj. Naturally him link with Nicki Minaj, right? Whatever I'm say about Queenie, well, Queenie deserve to cuss him, and there's no there's no like rules in a cussing if a person call your name, cause them can't tell you how to respond to them. But here what me ask my people, when it comes to Nicki Minaj, you know, Nicki Minaj not in the pasa. You understand? And the song where Blamdem do, the AI song with Nicki Minaj, that not supposed to be Queenie concern. You see me, I say this only shows that you see the older people them, the bigger people them in a life. Look on even Beenie Man and the Vybz Kartel situation. I saw them used to get hold on when them are youth, you know. You see me, I say that's something what them a do. Did worse back in the days, you know. Young youth not get boss, you know. Because the elder them want the glory for themselves. So I know when them can't hold the gate no more, make the young youth them a bust out of the pack and a reach places. And enough community in Jamaica, young youth get hold on and fight against my people by the older set of people them, you know, because some of the time at the family where you come out and some of the time because they're young, some of the time them want to feed them people reach somewhere, but them don't want other people pick me reach nowhere.
I know. I Nicki Chesara. You got this blood clots me. And I sit down and have that. I will not. I did. I joke next time did I run with me when him call me cross. It's a little joke him saying did I make him never take it for no blood clot joke. I would prefer them analyze me dirty blood clot. And that's a fact. Me stand alone. Me live by myself without uno or with blood clot uno not. Me no make nothing be a problem with me. Love me Blamdem. Blamdem here Richard. Alright, go look I walk drunk. I love blood clot, man. Go look fuck off for Amari. And that's if I go fuck out Amari blood clot crutches. Love blood clot, me I make you say you have a woman. Go look for blood clot Amari. Amari hotter than blood clot. You can Amari a found blood clot nation. Who are you? New blood clot moon, where you come from? All boom, new the blood clot creases and corner and the curve. Who are you? All of the moon, the brighter the shine. Yeah, wait there, Roger. You know so from TikTok about that man they try to get boss? You know so dead man. Give me bring in. The amount of life him father Blamdem father analyze now. Him sister-in-law, him neighbor, him cousin, him auntie, him god sister, him know every blood clot body business and nobody don't know this man. Nobody. All if you know him, you grow with him at school. The whole you know one thing. What?
Mama 5 kids, thank you, boss P.
Calm down, Queenie. Calm.
Okay. Simply Maya, somebody be a post and one be a jet now. Do. Put me now up in the top 20. More of them in my gift gallery. You never know.
Remember, Blamdem. You see the Queen reign by being my true authentic self. My word is my bond. When 99 I say boo, me I say woo. Leave me with my beautiful soul, Blamdem. You hear me? Don't make no crosses and tribulation take me down. Not because nobody know you. God know you. Leave me. And that's the God. Man, a weak fence means no blood clot fence. Me just, my defense. Me on a blood clot fence. You hear that you can't climb me, jump me, nor blood clot skate me. I am in my defense. Leave me. And that's the God Almighty truth. Me hear them I tell the president for put me in a book, I'm here president, so I'm not put Queen in a book, Cause Queenie draw back Pama with Camille and say me I am good and good too and really blah blah blah. Say it's good when somebody may not come along with even though she soon blood clot trouble me back again. But my point is, You can't get somebody credible now. Apart from a blood clot friend and nasty nigga, the only thing about you good with Blamdem and your vice. The only, look at my mouth, the only thing about you that, are you that me just cough up? The only thing about you, Blamdem, is your vice. You see, annoying blood clot vice to that all we will do. We don't know none else. It was for all upon your fucking annoying bomber clot vice. You're coming like a tipping blood clot pipe. You're coming like when the cow eats up in my teeth. When the goat eats up in my blood clot teeth. When the fall eats up in my teeth. When the callaloo eats up in my blood clot teeth. When the manga, what them do me, them violate me again. I would them ban me for now. No, your life has been flagged and bully. Now who may I bully?
And when the match are done, you just end it and start it right back. Yeah. When the match are done, Queen, you end it and start it right back here. I report them, I report you. Michaela, big up. When I only be one pussy and flying jet, and I make it feel, you know. I report them, I report your Queen. When they're done.
My bad no blood clot. I care blood clot. Oh. All if me have no blood clot, TikTok, Instagram is mine. Move for no blood clot and I can't stop me. Me have 5 blood clot TikTok. So when I lockdown 2, me have still have 2.5 left. Move for no blood clot. My body awful to that. Remember I know, at 16 years ago them kill my man Valentine's and a whole heap of things in a Raja. Gangster was in England, them shoot him. From that, me not have no Valentine's. I not care about blood clot Valentine. That's why I want to draw blood clot. Blamdem saying I'm about to so.
Mama 5 kids, spit him out now, spit him out.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Mama 5 kids.
Rachel, I love you. Him too enough. You want too much.
Kids.
Want all, lose all, brother. You hear that?
As me say, people, enough youths get won long by older people in the communities and even in the workspace too. You see me? But when me say Queen enough this but Blamdem, you know. But there's no way the song should have come up as something what she used for cuss him. You know what I mean? Him get song before she. You can't use that for cuss a youth. If him diss you send him up on that mother, you diss him any way you feel like. But don't make certain things come up, it go look like you're bad mind the youth. You understand me? So make we watch some more people and then we go over to the next. Cause we are gonna go over to the Pretti Dan thing, you know.
In everything you have to have a line, I know for draw a line. Want all, lose all. And that's all I have to tell you.
You have to show homage, you know, just this year, especially we are probably an age group, we are probably a rare, but when you look on a veteran like Queenie and you don't see nobody over here this side, not do that.
Good.
Especially you invite her to the disrespect. You add her when she come up, you diss her, take her down, then I say she and you also a lie panta pipe. Don't do that.
Roger, me think me the too sensitive when me say Roger, me not sleep, you know.
Me know you not me say me
could lie down in the bed and say
me know you just a cuss.
Me say the only reason why I not come on the TikTok and I say no man, I can't go over there go cuss and look so top down. So just wait till the cause you know when me not care, me not blood clot care. But me the cat today. I want it to look presentable. You understand me?
5 kids big up.
It's not nice, Queen Bee warm. It's not nice.
It's not nice for real. It's not nice.
You understand me? You entertain people. Me are the girl, them girl power, motivational speaker. Me I show them something because you fat. And not because your breast big and you can't fly go to Jamaica every minute. That I mean to say you can't get this to say. Me show them every little thing. He's rude. He's rude. He's very rude. It was uncalled for. You understand me? Me remember, you know. And then if I go there, if me the governor got trouble him, you know. It was a different. But you can't just add me for me something and I come talk say, she send me request. Do we am afraid for send requests from people something? Me don't want nobody in something. The last time I go power live and they say
love you. Colin,
not for cuss no bad word.
Me to me seek your story.
I'm married to that on the live door. Blamdem at germs. Blamdem a fart out a battle as me telling you, you can't hear him and smell him. Nobody can
say him a comment over there, Queenie, but you not see him.
Oh!
Blamdem.
I want to see Flake one. Don't mind Blamdem.
I fake one.
Remember say a long time him dead I rock my baby I look attention.
Queenie, restart now and come back. Just end the live and turn it on.
Okay, I will.
Me a Christian Blamdem. No come for me.
You look careless, batty man, but stop, come on.
You're the biggest blood clot, but Tom, pan blood clot the app. Talk to me now. You want class everybody and you're fat. You want class everybody when we're hungry can't smell you. You're nothing. You can't class no. Come down now. Move your blood clot and go lick out challenge lick out blood clot plate. Come down now.
Hey boy, Blamdem, let me tell you this. Little boy, you are not a blood clot president for me, you hear that? What is a president to a blood clot done? Let me tell you this, me did rate you, little boy. I see what I give you my number, little boy. Me did give you my number, little boy. Me did rate you because me feel like you're a general, but I chat too much, you know. Use your little blood clot mouth too much, you know. Me give you my number, and you are going to come call me 3-way with a little Batman fish, a motherless suckwood boy, what me not deal with, what me not like, what me openly tell everybody say me eat like poison. Why would you call my phone 3-way with that? You're not a president for blood clot, me little boy. You can't tell me who for pussy clot deal with, little boy. Who the fuck is you in my corner? Nobody can you not do nothing for me, little boy. Little boy, keep your TikTok presidency to your pussy clot self. You hear me? I tell you, boy, I don't call back my bumbo clot number. You hear me? Go and go president for them on TikTok and me are done. Remember that.
Good morning and a happy Sunday. So we have our early morning update as to who was the TikToker that came to Pretti Dan's house with armed men threatening her. And Tikiana, I hate to let you down, but Pretti Dan is alleging that Blamdem came to her house. She did say that, you know, she gave the footage over to the police. I guess, you know, this is America. We all have cameras all around our house and all of that stuff. So that's definitely not a smart move. And she did, you know, call him out by his correct name, Ricardo Plowright. Now, a lot of you heartless folks are saying that she deserved it because she talked. Well, I don't think it's because she talk about people. I think it's the manner in which she talks about people. You know, she kind of go on with herself and send her to them and anything, but she's never hurt anybody. I feel like if somebody not like you, not like if it's someone not like you know, keep it to words. But this is just how it is going, and it's going far. And Blamdem does the same thing that Pretti Dan does too. So I don't know. Hopefully it's all a prank, or I don't know what it is like. Hopefully they could come to some sort of resolve, because this is crazy and this is too far. But let's see how. I would love to support the foolishness. I would love to support the violence, especially when it's your favorite. So I'll just sit back and relax.
For no reason, you know. Oh, Blamdem, yeah, couldn't never be back no friend. I just media chat things. That me I tell you, because you don't show me say you want snake from long time, my friend. So I don't know who could enough for them right it man want be friend with blood clot you. Mad. One thing me know with Brenda. Brenda want smart little bitch. Yeah, no Brenda turn to me and say, what you too friendly, you know? You know me not like when people know which part me there. Me don't know them people and me can't make them know me there. I should have the same way me I think. I want little germs. And see them in the day, nothing you come and you chase everybody they put me over there. You jump on the bandwagon. And boy, you're a hypocrite. And you expect people to deal with you no good. Eh? And you expect people to deal with you no good. You can't tame and me worse I can't tame. Oh, me a bad slave. You're too out harder for what you do. You're not nobody comparing to Dan. Oh. Yes, I miss nobody comparing to blood clot Dan. You want come to you want get rid of people now, cause you know say you need for back up with them nasty style. Eh? You don't know what happened, girl? Me can't bother explain myself. Someone in the comment section tell a girl what happened. Me can't bother with the explanation. Somebody have to call you out dirty or
Yeah, cause you want dirty whore. I say you walk on class, girl. Everywhere you go, you walk on class, blood clot. Yeah, somebody explain to that lady in the comment section for me.
Alright, my people. You see Florida? Florida one of the worst place for catch certain things like for dash away a person, for kill a person. Florida the wrong place to do that. For rob people and do certain GUN crime. Florida the wrong place to do it. And so I say, because you are going, let me give everybody will qualify a machine, you know. Everybody get a GUN and you can have multiple GUN in your house. Me not think there is a limit to how much GUN you can own in a Florida. But because them give everybody a GUN, them have some strict laws. You see me I say, if you don't watch the video we put before that one here with alleged youth where him squash them a link, giant Blamdem live, and I tell him how much ears them want to give him because him did KILL and do some knockings and clappings in a Florida and them hold on upon him. Seeing he's from St. James, right? So them want to give him life. You understand? Florida no play with certain crime, especially GUN crime. So if this youth really pull up on Pretti than my people, him not like himself because then we send him right back at Jamaica after them give him how much years. So me soon show you the video my people with him pull up a Pretti than yard. So me go watch some more.
Me no scratch record, me can't bother go over the same thing over and over again, sweetie. What you mean if him a dangerous weapon? I'll fire people will stay and feed them there with a spoon. Fire! Oh. With the body that add them the shit here by life that the dog shit in the pad when everybody turn it back and lock the door for it. The body devil from them see it and come them that if that take it. Oh, when you look you see him gone over a woman life, that the hurt my brother. That's why I know say me not have to run you down same time when you lick me. Wait for you the right time. That's why I post a picture and people don't feel like I cap me a cap. That is Blamdem, the picture with me post. These are the people. Taya, me not depend that with you. Taya, me not depend that. You can't say that Nikki just like feisty people. Taya. Come in at the box, come explain it. Come in even like I come have a scoop up that comment here to blood clot. Taya, me don't believe so. The woman like jovial people and the people them were funny. Remember I walk and chase people. Remember say when we are cussing, you know, it sound funny to people, you know. To the Americans them, you know. You hear some posting picture. I mean, I understand that. You can't say them type of people the woman support. It just a go look bad for the woman because after this happen, you never see, you don't know if the woman and him are going to be back friend or the woman are go up in him like that. Remember the woman know done before him, you know, and this is a dirty argument. You understand? So you can't judge so. You cannot judge it like that, sweetie. I love that woman and I know that woman like the madness. Remember the woman was once from, you know, street, you know. Remember she there, you know, get to, you know, so she know the vibes. If you grow up a Queens, you come like a Jamaica, you grow up same way, you know. People have to do what them have to do. Nobody can make nobody do what they want to do. That's what I'm telling you. We can't tell. Even if this happen and pass and the woman still say she a cheer for you, what we can say about that? A fear business that, but it just don't look good to the international superstar that she is. Those type of things not gonna look good. You get me? But if the woman choose to live her life or she want to live it, who the fuck is we if you tell her what to do? We can't tell the woman what to do. Nobody can tell her what to do, honestly. The picture gone. The picture though gone. Me no need for show the picture now again. I him man. So me can't bother, you know. Let me see if me can take a screenshot of this. My blood clot show the picture already. Me no need for show the picture again. Me just a talk about what I go on now. Me no need for go back in a that. If it get grimy, you know of griminess. Nine another ramping, I tear up people like Tony the Tiger. You see me? Screenshot it. Listen now, me go screenshot it to them and pick mix them. Bill no? Remember him got people in here go on camera, you know? And I hide face, you know? So remember him say the picture with me, they post on him. So love it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Never you fire so much shot in our battlefield. Make we see what got after. Stay tuned, cute. In the meantime, go and tap up the screen because I love mix up like dog. Be a mix up on the love. When I'm over here with you, I do like a prayer something and I listen to some gospel music. I do soon on the light mix up bad. This is the time when I'm gonna gather, mother gather, mix up. When I ask, I just the truth. When you're not gonna ever like me, come in and speak nothing but facts. Cute and girly. Yeah. But Blamdem that hurt me do. But to bad, their dad never really keep the bucket, but dad said some things, some hurtful things that we never like. But me still no wish to see, even you, me not like your stinking ways, but me still no wish to see nothing do you, brother. Me no wish to see nothing do nobody at all on the app. That's the type of art I have, but I say, who know? Some things that me soon not portray about this pussy clat, yeah. I don't need to come off of the app, can I pick enough for watch Uno. I do those things, to be honest. Cause all this now, a little boy I go see, I catch up at school with him little friend now where I watch you. What am I gonna do? Am I gonna go him friend yard with two more him friend and do the same thing where you do? Back up my friend. There is no influence boy. I'm gonna try them the real blood clot one them. I'm gonna come with phone no bag of fuckery. Kuno too. My friend so man. I go take on off because nobody now come talk to me. I X on off the amount of request to me see so I go X on off. Because nobody now come in my box come talk. Viewers. The can't be that tired. Love the kid got to bed. I'm not going to say nothing wrong in my eyes, nothing wrong what she do in my eyes, but you can't tell people who to deal with. Remember, you know, it's not like say we know of this person that go around and do these things, you know, and then she know, you know. This is the first this person ever fucked up like this. The person only always go around and cuss people and them thing there. But this now, just cross the border, you can't too far. You see me? So, to be honest, if somebody like somebody, we can't do nothing about that. It's just that the type of person we are is you can't link with certain people. Even if you are link with them, you can't show up yourself with them. You see me? As I done, I just the truth, mama. Right, and you can't tell people what to do. That's on my mama. At the end of the day, Jaja, you just make a bad move, youth. You move like a pig. What the fuck you forgot a bumbleclot Dan yard? Go long roll dog and Dan them in a problem. You ever see bumbleclot roll dog and Dan them yard and do not eat? And then beat them every single day? Better you make yourself look small like you like violence more than nobody too much. What you mean what really happened? See Blamdem got the woman yard there. For bust up her blood clots. And I tell the man them say, you know do what I do. Me not like this. No time attack. If I do some dunce nigga go with her, me I go with him. Me I tell you. Had trouble. Unnecessary feud and carelessness, brother. Me no response when nobody want to say yes, me chat too much. Yes, me not go stop the loud cloud chat. For who never there here, see Blamdem in action. A pretty than yard. Me did think a joke. Me did think a blood clot joke at first. Cause I can't understand this a boy is so mad.
Yo, my people, me telling you something. You have some people who talk it, but them not live it. But you have some people where them even talk it, but them live it. And you have some people who talk it and still live it. You see me? Blamdem, him seems like a hearted youth. You understand? So Pretti than them should have known that this youth here is not a normal youth, because him a talk about some serious people and I diss them up and him act the most, you know what I mean, outrageous way. And him don't tell you no say him head no good already. So uno a internet badness and that on the depend. But them youth here, them depend real badness and also internet badness. Them not afraid to do nothing. You understand me? So, him pulling up on your yard, sure you say certain things where you do up on the internet, you have to be very careful, because you call some people name more while and disrespect some people where, you know what I mean, we do your things and you have a like a wake up moment when it did come to popcorn, and now you have another wake up moment. This is two, and maybe there is more where we don't know about. So you have to really look into yourself. You do your thing for money, but you have to calm down, tone down, and know what you do. You understand? Because you send some people under their mother, and some long time people you send under their mother too, you know. Where it's like the new generation, me not sure how them take the S mother thing, but the back then generation, the generation before this one, them not take the S mother normal. You see me I say? So people wanna make me know what to think. We're gonna watch some more.
Fucking chink. Dan must have different video when him come there. Dan must have different video when him come there. You're too out of order, too far for you. Him go too far. And then your pussy clot vice there all over the media, and it's something where you can't hide. Send the same picture. We go delete you know, cause you know come up, come talk. Wow, a serious thing. Feel vice that too. Nah, no sense, man. Come on, fight up and go rest the blood clot self now. Crosses. The video on Pink Wall and Facebook. Oh, that is definitely his voice. Sure. Summer doll, you look like you want to talk. Cause all me delete you come back. Annie.
Well,
Anna.
Yes.
Where come up here for?
Me hear you talk, but I never know what's true. If you never see the video, I wouldn't know what's true.
Oh, so you have me as a liar like what the people them say, boy.
Oh, me just come on, me no come on from the life and
the children in England that talk about it.
Yes, me just come on from the live. Boy, oh boy. Then him can't fool, so they no feel vibes that not him that they picture they not show what they say him that and him that again from the video.
Exactly, body built and everything. But him and Dan a friend, him shouldn't do that.
What they are on the internet, him picture they
Blamdem as and Pretti Dan.
Why me I tell you no?
So somebody just have the, you know, them can't hold them composure, they can't body success.
Why me I tell you?
They get that cute break like this. Just hold a little suck and come do a little mix up our life though. I don't say you heard with the flow pussy. But boy, you want to play dance ship. And dance ship,
him fool cause my master every day upon live and I show him face and now sing go give himself with the
the camera, I wouldn't know him, Dan know him and me know him.
story, and I know that Ivany is a really good mother, and I just want to commend her on that. And I noticed the way how she fight. I know this story because I usually follow, what was going on, and she really fight for her child, and she is supposed to fight for her child. So nothing is wrong with that. I must say that clearly. She's doing a good job, and I hope and pray that God will continue to give her strength, good health, and all the best. May God bless her. Children are a blessing, and as mothers, we're supposed to fight for our children. Something came across my attention. I saw on social media. If I could speak to her, I would tell her one thing. I guess she's supposed to know that already. That you have some people, our own people, who screen record. They look for everything to bash this and bring down this girl. My message to them this morning, because I know some of them, they still watch on people. Some of them are here too. And they just watch on people and see if they see anything negative to screen record and post. But let me tell you, when God got you, God got you. And I hope and pray that God continue to protect that girl. I see them trying to blame her for whatever happened on Thursday. I don't know what happened on that, but it seems as if the father didn't turn up. And I see people trying to blame her. I mean, you can see that it's our own people. And it shook me. It shook me. I mean, how can we as mothers, our own people, them, how women, our own generation, how we love bring down each other. So there's somebody who we should have helped to stand up for, like Ivany, and help her fight for her right, or the right of her child. Not saying a father not support that. Every children supposed to have father, and their father supposed to be in them life. But we see the story of how this all, from day one coming down, what was happening and how she was treated. And in my opinion, I believe this guy just want the pitney to make money. He's trying to find a way to make money, and he's trying to use the child to pay that money that he's up the child support. We all see and know that. But some of you ladies just want to come out and tear down the girl. Instead of help her fight, or not just tear her down and bring what you're going to accomplish out of that when some of you.
Alright, my people, so this lady I come to Ivany defense. You see me I say, and a lot of people me see come to Ivany defense over the years. You know what I mean? She always have her people them will love her, and them are going to stand up for her in every way. Alright, but more I say this. Do you guys know, say, for the most part, you know what I mean, Ivany make her thing off of social media. You see me I say, Ivany are the mama for social media. Just like our World Dog are the daddy for social media. And them run, you would say World Dog, him run social media. Ivany are one of the person them where control certain people and a large number. You see me I say, no matter what she do, she can't wrong for everybody. She always have people who stand up for her. Let me say this. The youth, the baby father, him and Ivany did cool for the most part. The only time when this youth get out and when the argument start with Ivany, and Ivany always tell him say him now go make the youth stay in a theme life and a bunch of things. She always threaten him with the youth. You understand? So that make him do some of the things them when him do. So me would say, you know what I mean, in my opinion, say Ivany push this youth here to do what him do. You know what I mean? And she kind of push him out of the youth life, and the youth fight to get him youth. You understand? One at the time him did want to take away the youth completely, yes. Which way me no like agree with none of them for want to take the youth to themselves completely. You see me? So make me know what the thing with people. I watch some more.
Not even taking care of your own children. Some of you have grandchildren in Jamaica that need care. Some of you don't have nothing to do. You don't have nothing to do. You don't take care of no children, no grandchildren, and no family children. You don't know the same thing. You try to tear down another child mother and another child. And the same thing can happen to your own family. But watch, it will surely knock on some of you door. You don't think God's sleeping? God not sleeping. Wait until it's your time and your back is against the wall. And the same way, you knock down this girl is the same way. There's others because there is, you won't get knocked down the same way because remember karma. They have a little saying, every puss have them 4 o'clock.
Hold on there. Oh, you mean him going to use the money to pay child support, the sub? Doesn't the judge base child support based on your income? So what you try to tell me?
Oh,
yeah? No judge now gonna make you pay a certain money unless it's based on your income. So what you tell me?
Is that? You see, if you start make money, do subs and make money on that, his child support going to go up. Because you want to say, okay, I want to.
No, we're not talking that. We're not reaching so yet. We're not reaching so yet. We're not put opinion in it. An opinion. A judge based the child support on your income. Oh, Asha, yeah, sorry. Go ahead, Asha. Go ahead. Because what that mean, no? Someone don't want to tell me. Asha,
Good morning. That's okay. Good morning. It's my first time on your page. I was just scrolling on TikTok and I saw your page and I just decided to watch it. I just wanted to come on to say something based off what you said. Jamaica days, including me, right? And I don't live in Jamaica for over, 14, 15 years? But this is how long I've known, following her for. I remember she once said she lost a baby, right? And when you put yourself in place of a mother who lost a child, and then at the end of the tunnel they were able to bring forth a child, you don't know the end. You don't know the end that mother will go to keep her child, to protect her child. You understand what I'm saying?
I'm here, I'm listening. Hello? Go ahead.
Okay, I'm at work, so the signal is kind of iffy, so I just wanted to know if you're hearing me. You don't know the end. You don't know the ends a mother will go to protect her child. You don't know, and we all saw her cried on live, regardless of the things that she does. Everybody is human and everybody does wrong and everybody does good. We all saw her, even on the gender review. It was her alone. She's been there by herself. She's doing everything she can, and that's the product of a mother who's willing to go to the end of the earth for their child. A praying mother at that. A praying mother. She might not come on the internet and say, guys, I pray every day. No. You don't ever come on the internet and say whatever is happening between you and God, that's between you and God. And that's the product of when you go to Me City and you pray for something that you wanted for so long, you will reap all the good benefits. It doesn't matter what the enemy is coming with, because we all see always trying everything. And it's not going his way for one. It's never going his way from the day I was born. Not going his way for one. And then second of all, for all the women, especially Jamaican women, so easily, tear the girl down. It doesn't matter what she does, what she did in her past life. Everybody has a past. She is not doing anything of that. No, all her focus is Ice and Louis. And that's it. And I just wish women in general would stop coming on internet and tear a next female down, because you don't know what they're dealing with behind closed doors. Okay? All right, Scrubs, I'm going back to work, okay?
All right, thank you for that, Ash.
Yes.
All right, Nuna, we want to go back to the child support, what you said.
Alright. But me I don't know but you not accept, so me don't know. Yeah, I don't know but you not accept it, so me don't know.
Yeah.
Good morning. Michelle, what happened?
Hey, Miss Scrubs, good morning.
Go on, sister.
Alright, you know the page them change every minute, but you know me original from over here. Good morning, ladies. Good morning, ladies. Let me tell you something, Miss Scrubs. You ever hear a saying said, don't talk about my past, talk about now? This boy is trying everything not to pay the child support. Remember, they went to court and they settled everything. Vonnie did everything for him to come see the child. My thing is, why he didn't pick up Ice then? Why he didn't come and see the baby? I was on a thing with King Mix Up and them and talk about them not drop the thing because Ivan is doing and doing. During the court case, that's why I love it so much when you...
Okay. Michelle. Him not have to drop it, you know. Nobody is fighting him to drop it. Nobody's fighting him to... Look here. Nobody's fighting him to drop it. But at the end of the day, the mother and the child is a package.
Yes.
So nobody now fight him, so don't even bring that up. Because the mother and the child is a package, so nobody bring that up.
Alright, let's take that out of it then. Alright then, so why?
Because he break his own TPO too.
Yeah, because
come on, talk about her too. So
that's why me love you and you stay upon it. When the court him come out and say
him come out and talk about her. So
and she come out and talk
about the child.
And she come out and talk for us. So what you might try say? You might try everything. Come on. You say you love your
you
son.
Said this and that. Remember.
Alright, people, this is my opinion, right? Not meaning that I'm right. Yes, I said this is just how I view things. See, I believe that this youth here, everything him do was a reaction. Tell me if me a chat foolish or what. Me just think say everything him do was a reaction to what Ivany do. You see me I say a woman can be spiteful in people. Not until you as a man have a baby mother who is spiteful, you can really know how spiteful a woman can be. You see me I say, but Ivany on a level, Ivany diabolical. You see me I say, that are just she. If she a go do something, she a go to the extreme and she not go business, she not go care. She a go just do it and when the consequence comes she face it. I saw Ivany stay. Let me know what you think with people.
He put out a bounty on the child.
Right.
A child that not even a fear name, a child that honor the mother name. And you have a TPO. Come now.
You say you love your son.
You don't know the story.
Them are gonna let me know. You say you love your son.
No, you don't talk like you don't know the story.
No, me know the story. Can't remember me. I watch it and see. But
alright, they don't care. Come tell me nobody say.
No, he must say
nobody say.
The first thing is subscription for your child. How you gonna want that?
But Scrubs, you have that now. You have no choice because guess what? When I read it up, a TPO go for both person. If you go take out a TPO for the mother and child, that TPO go for both the mother and the child. So you know if you see that child, you have to drop a TPO. So you have no choice.
Exactly.
No.
Ivany, hold your ground. Don't let the internet beat you.
Exactly. Don't listen to the naysayer.
Let me talk. Because you realize I'm not talk about this? I'm not talk about this, you know? Ivany, hold your ground. Don't let the internet beat you. Because when you did lock up everybody that keep dance.
I ain't got no special requests, no special guideline, nothing special made type shit. Only thing I didn't agree to that they came with me with is dropping a TPO, and I dropped the TPO because how much my lawyer got for me, you know, them wanting to drop the TPO. Cause like that was my counter. Like when they came and said they don't want to change the last name to Johnson, they want to hyphen it and put Johnson. I said no, let's go to court. My last name ended up being Johnson. They did not want to see the courtroom. But everything happened in the best interest of my son. So I'm happy. Like, I can't complain. It should have been happened. Why it takes so long? But that went through me. But we ended up came into agreement, lawyer to lawyer. Everything's gonna fall in place. I get to spend my time with him. I have my days with him out the week that I wanted, more than what the court will give you. Court only will give you normally Friday through Sunday, no extra days.
No, can I got show you something. And me alone I go down today. I bring down me I mash up everything. Come in if you wanna dog, on a Jamaican paper, bro. On a wicked, bro. You see me? On a bag of destruction, bro. People tap up the screen. And that me I make on know. Me go show you something. I go what we are go down today. Me go show you say me a mad man. We never know say me mad. We never know say me crash out like that. Yeah man. We never know. We never know say me crash out. Yeah man. Top of the screen paper. Me not play no match with a batty boy. Me not play no match with you. Me not play no match batty boy, Jayden. If you go on, you go on. Batty boy. Paper top of the screen. Me want to see 5,000 people that's before me talk. Me Blamdem want to see 5,000 people before me talk. And say me not see 5,000 people yes, so me not talk. I walk. Top of the screen. Me not talk until me see 5,000 people.
Blamdem, me here say, Blamdem. Me here say go over.
Listen to me, I don't want to hear no 5,000 people more want to see before me talk. Don't mute nobody. Don't block nobody. I want to see 5,000 people over my life before me talk. So pepper sauce, active, what I scream record, man them. You don't need to come forward because I'm going to mash up everything I know. Me tell you that now. I one reason I'm going to address this I know. Because I don't go address it, you know. You know why I'm going to address it? Because I see too much lie I tell, bro. Too much lie I tell. And that's one reason why I'm going to expose this here. Paper, we live in Florida. Florida. Where in everybody have a matic. Everybody in Florida have a matic. Pretti than have a matic. Everybody have a matic. Well, I know. I'm going to show you something today. Tap up the screen. I say 5,000. Jayden. You dog. Me done with you, bro. Me think you're a friend, bro. I say everything when you go with, bro. Yeah. Me think you was a friend. I done with you as friend today, bro. You say, want to say me done for the whole on, bro. Me swear, me go block you off on my phone to batty boy. You know my friend, bro. I tell them me done with you, bro. Don't call by my phone, batty boy. I avoid you, little boy. Because you say, the whole on want to say me done fall, bro. And little boy, you see, as long as me go block you off of my life. And I swear to God, me done with you, little boy. More avoid me, little boy. And that me make you know. I want to me come to tell you, I mean, I talk until me see 5,000 people. I swear, me not say no. I want to see 5,000 people yesterday before me talk. Oh, and little boy, me done with you as long as me live. As long as me live, me not deal back with you, bro. As long as God put me on me hurt. Me done with you, little batty boy. Me go black you off on my phone, little batty boy. Avoid me, little boy. Don't call by my phone, batty boy. And big up Rosealee. You see me? Big up Rosealee. They come and tell me, say, Blamdem go address the situation. And all of my friends, we are come tell me if you address the situation. Big up on yourself because I now make this go further, youth. When you share it live on top of the screen. Alright, I'm going to show you something today. I'm going to show you what on the bomb buckler. I'm going to share you. I'm going to share you like right now. Me not talk until me see 5,000 people. Top of the screen and share it live. Top of the screen and share it live. Top of the screen and share it live, people. Top of the screen and share it live. 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 I want to see 5,000 people yesterday before me talk. And you look about the boy, Jayden. Don't deal me back as long as you live. Hey, that little boy.
Give me your friend, bro.
Don't go nyam out your mother, batty boy. Me ain't no friend. You're a batty boy. You want to look instigator. And you're wicked. And you want to look liar. And you're crook. I mean, I want to send me no request as long as you live. Don't call me phone, batty boy. Avoid me like suck catches, boy. And that me make you know. I mean, don't deal me as long as you live, batty boy. Avoid me. You know where you do, batty boy. The thing you can bring me down. Hey, batty boy. Yes, that little crosses and mama man, batty boy. And I'm in the laughing thing with a batty boy. And my life in a danger because I want to. Because they expose the picture. I'm done. Alright. Because show you something. Alright, hold on. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me not argue with them like a batty boy. Just want to see 5. Top of the screen and share it live. Top of the screen and share it live. Tap up the screen and share up your life, people. Tap up it more, see 5,000 people that's before me talk. Alright.
What them do? How them do you?
A little batty boy, I don't want to argument with me. And your views, me there contact right now. You can't go on for now. Because when we get the 5,000 views, me go remove your batty boy. And your views more come up on my life. I mean, go sneer out your mother batty boy. Man, they check on him. And them a try cancel me paper. You see me? A prank get paper. Look in that video. Me go play a video right now. Which by another video you Blamdem have a fire, have a matic? Which pretty lad, bro? He might try cancel me, bro. He might spice them and the whole of them. And they try tell lie on Nicki Minaj paper. Alright, paper. If you no can watch the video, me have one phone in my hand. You see me paper? Me Blamdem have a phone in my hand. All the hell me dey on phone with Nicki Minaj. I record me, they record him. Paper, tell me now. Florida is a firearm state. Everybody legal if you have a matic. If you go on somebody property, bro, without them consent, them can bust, they can lick a shot in your blood clot.
Hey, my people, you see, in this world, you have to be careful, you know, my people in the world, our wicked world, you're not going to know until you know. And you see, when you know, you go in a bad position, and at that time, they are going to find out. The Almighty bless the few people, them. In this life, we catch up on certain things before it happen to them. You see them pranks up me when them are going with a man can line you up and mash you up because of that, you know. You see me, I say? A man can line you up and you don't know who is who on a meet on the internet. You don't know if this person where you call your friend or one of your enemy friend and them plan up to mash you down. People, you see when the thing come out first, it's like me I say, no man, because it's when it come to me don't tell you about Florida. See, and it did look a way to me. I know Blamdem I said it look a way. And me feel like more things definitely reveal. Make you watch some more.
Not come out tight. So if I name prank with me and Pretti Dan, I not do me nothing. Eh? You now cancel me dirty Pretti Dan. You can't cancel me. You look a thinking girl. Me never paper in my blood clot roll like a friend and then plan for me. And he tell me say come we prank your people and when he come for prank your people he come back and tell like and never tell me that Pretti Dan. Me done with you. Me think you're my friend little dirty girl and me find out say I know my friend Junko. Dog shit. Eh? Look your paper. See my clip. See my clip up on my end. When me grow in a yard. So when me grow in a yard, yeah. I see phone we are seeing on my hand. A video, bro, for prank. You see me? Video, see it, yeah? I made this see a video in a paper, look, yeah. Video me anima video. You see me paper? See it, and me a video. So I'm tell her about me the pan phone with Nicki Minaj, eh? Tap call you man name, paper. Let me tell her what cause the problem. Bro, paper. Oh, all along when me I get trouble on TikTok and on internet, nobody name want cancel me. Boys, Nicki Minaj start give me and things start going for me. Me come out #1 yesterday. Me all company US. Everybody get bad mind. You all of them I get bad mind paper. A bad mind, you all of them get bad mind paper and I try cancel me paper and they call the woman name. I tell her I lie pan the woman. I lie them I tell pan the woman paper. All the hell me dey pan phone with the woman. Are you dey pan the phone with the woman Pretti Dan? Are you and Nicki Minaj pan phone? Dirty girl Pretti Dan. Nasty thinking crutches Pretti Dan. Where they tell look at hear him. Look where vlog of them when give you post I say. It's alleged the person on the monitor is Blamdem at Pretti Dan residence while on the phone with Nicki Minaj. All the hell me dey on phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video yaso. A video me dey video yaso in a paper. Or me dey on phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video. All the hell me go dey on phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video. Eh? See that video, me a video, you know. Cause me a video, cause I prank, we a prank. Look your paper. Look on a video, you know. Where you say, I me the pan phone in Nicki Minaj. Look, you see phone me having in my hand. When you realize the pan the video, me just show a while ago. If phone done in high ground. Eh? Which pan in video, you see me dramatic. You see me dramatic pan the video. I lie, I tell. A lie blood clot crosses I tell. The take no blood clot, but name out to no mama. I mean I can't address back, no. Go on a station, pretty than you know my name. All police are gonna lock me up. All you two blood clot like drunker. All police are gonna lock me up. Dog shit. All police are gonna lock me up. In America this the police are gonna lock me up already. This morning me I got blood clot go did something. You have to blood clot lie, dirty girl. Cause name out your mother pretty than. You want to look a liar stinking bitch. You have to bumbo clot I'm done with you, bro. Cause me can't believe say you tell me say I'm real like a friend. And you're real like a friend. Ask anybody in Florida. Real like pull gun pan pretty than a party. Ask anybody in Florida. Who live in Florida did it when real like pull gun pan pretty than? Wanna comment and tell me. Who remember when real dog pull gun pan pretty than? Who remember? Who remember when real dog pull gun pan pretty than? Who remember that? Alright, see people are saying me there. So how you not gonna report that to police? How you not report popcorn to police? I cancel the girl want cancel my paper. So now if you listen to me, you not gonna listen to me that me are pretty than. Which one you gonna listen to? Pretty than have a matic. Pretty than having gun. Pretty than is American green card residence holder. Pretty than have a gun. So if me go up on pretty than property without film consent, he could have shot me. Because I prank. And he can't cancel me, bro, because I'm a real lad, my friend. And then take me for that, I mean, know. Hey, girl, move your blood clot from you so you can't trick me. Thinking, girl, and thinking real lad them. Move your blood clot from you so I'm going to name out your mother. Me done with you. As long as you leave no call on my phone, I go block you from my phone. Me, I go block you from my phone, pretty than. Me, Blamdem, I go block you from my phone. Go name out your mother. You look a liar, drunk, or you. You think you can't cancel me dog shit. I tell her a lie on the woman. Paper. You see woman I can't tell her about me the on phone with Nicki Minaj when me go there. But it's as alleged that Blamdem on phone with Nicki Minaj. Junker, tell the people them say, yeah, the woman the on phone. Yeah, and the woman the on phone and the whole we are friend. I'm where they may go keep federal for Shibada. And you come and come set me up. Me done with you, bro. Cause you can't cancel me off the internet. Cause me no want to on internet. Me come here for fun. Me not take internet that serious. If me don't take internet serious, me would show me face. How the hell me go up on internet? Me can't really take this either TikTok is serious. For sure me not even take TikTok serious. Me not even show myself. For sure how me not take TikTok serious. I don't care about TikTok, bro. TikTok is not that serious for me there. I go on nobody yard. I give you me freedom to look a platform. If you look a hype. How the hell me go? First thing, how me they go somewhere on the video. Me can't go up and works on the video.
People, as we say, most of them things I will go on social media, I have them as entertainment until me see boy something I go on here so. You know what I mean? And this me not to pre this like a real thing, me I watch it play out. You have to be careful as we say, and them people here where you link up with. This youth here, I'm saying him not show him face and him not this and him not that. Me think him would have more militant than this and don't in the whole heap of prank thing and them something there. But as me said before, you never know who is your enemy friend. You understand? Pretty than a real dog cuss for years. And me frightened when Pretty than put up say real dog and Spice check on her. Me I say okay then. Well, real dog, maybe turn a new page and whatever. Okay. So no Blamdem I say Pretty than a real dog a link. Me can't see that. But me people, me no quick to believe them people here call them skill. Nicki Minaj now need to fly what go up in the ear. She don't a ground too long. Go on back mama. Watch them on your fake page. Remember me they telling you people. Nicki Minaj there yaso too long. And you see when you there around some people for too long, them take you and them for the same thing. You start get disrespect and also you start get involved in them foolishness. Nicki Minaj, lift up. This is for your own good mama. Lift up and watch them people here from your fake page. Build a fake account and give them. Lift up mama. So people, make me know what you think. We're going to watch some more.
Me can't go up and work, so now wear mask. Me can't go up and first thing. How the hell me go up and work for the mission and have a mask? Uno to bumbo clad duns. Anybody that build Pretty than, we believe Pretty than to bumbo clad duns. How the hell me go up on a work? Pretty than set up this off to expose my picture, bro. I'm not the resistant dog. I'm not hear that pan ya, bro. I cry me all day, I cry to dog. I'm not hear that pan ya, bro. I'm not talk bumbo cloud dance. How the hell me go up on mission and I wear mask? Eh? How the hell me go up on mission to do man things and have on a mask? I'm not talk bumbo cloud dance and fool. I'm not talk dance. All big thinking pink wall. More report pink wall. Pink wall, I must say I fuck Pretty than. Eh? Where you gonna tell her upon me for? Bomba, me get a violation paper. Or me go up and works and now wear mask. Eh? Paper. Real dog and Pretty than set up this to expose me picture. You see me can't tell me say if you run a prank, fin get a comeback. Watch a paper. Look ya, me and him planning paper. Listen to the voice note ya. Me go sure say me and him planning. Listen to the voice note ya paper.
You help me make 3 grand by a month for done. This a month.
Me go expose everything.
Me no know.
Listen to the voice note
me no know, dog. You look how long you say I go send some sitting to your dress already. Fool it take me for another.
Oh, you think me a chopper? Me think me a chopper.
Ask you no.
Listen to that.
Me make 3 grand by
what are we a good on? What are we a good on?
What kind of trouble me?
What are we a good on? All are we a good on, drunk.
You see me I say?
What are we a good on?
We get that car.
All are we a good on?
Yeah, just
what are we a good on?
Yeah.
All if you like black, me not care.
Yeah, dog. What you say?
Paper, me go restart, cause me live all black. Me go restart and come back, you no go nowhere. All are we a good on? Me go restart and come back, you live a good on. Hold on. You like me live a black. Me soon come back, paper. I will be back, paper.